Hi and welcome to Bristol on this slightly overcast, cloudy day. Now, I wanted to show you guys something different. At our facility, we're lucky enough to have some pretty impressive testing kit that we use to help develop solutions for our customers. Now, amongst that, we've got a semi-anechoic noise chamber. The engineers amongst you might know what that is, but to those who don't, I'd like to show you around so you can see what it looks like. Come on, come and follow me. So this is our semi-anechoic noise chamber. Let's get the doors open and you can have a look inside. So as you can see, we're lucky enough to have a really big space around us. It's 8.5 meters by 8.5 meters by 4.5 meters high. It has a frequency floor of 100 Hertz, and it's big enough to get a short wheelbase transit van into. We have a shaker which can be arranged horizontally or vertically, and it has a 20 kHz top limit. We can calculate sound power using 10 microphones arranged around a hemisphere with a 1 meter radius. We have an e-motor testing rig which can test motors up to 2 kilowatts and at speeds of up to 10,000 RPM, and from this we can do noise and vibration order mapping under operational conditions. And we have a 10 Newton shaker which can measure resonance to give us dynamic stiffness and damping. So the benefit of the semi-anechoic chamber is that it allows you to remove any of those background, ambient or environmental noise sources. So you can instantly see as I've shut the doors, all of that background noise has gone. Now, the other benefit is, because it's a semi-anechoic chamber, is we can remove all of the reverberation and echo that you might also get in a standard room. So when you're trying to tackle a noise challenge, you know you are pinpointing the actual source of that noise. So to give you a flavour of the actual impact that this room can make, here's a fun little tongue-in-cheek demo for you. Enjoy. I hope you found the video interesting. If there's anything you'd like to have a chat with us about, be it hiring the noise chamber for your own project or collaborating with us on tackling a noise challenge, feel free to get in touch with us at the contact details on screen now or in the description for the video. Thanks very much for watching. Take care.